It is about principle. Not only does God operate in principle, but life is about principles. It is a law, gravity. You put something, you drop it, it hits there. That's a principle. No gray area, there's no negotiation. This is what makes faith faith. The principle of not seeing or understanding, or just simply not even having. It is faith because you simply cannot see it. If I told you you're going to be successful and you're going to own all these stocks, you're going to do this, you can't see it, or if you don't understand it, then what's going to happen? You're operating on the principle of faith. And if you haven't got to that point where you really understand what I'm saying, you're still looking for your dreams. You're still trying to get close to the dream. You haven't even got the taste yet, and it's because you're not following this principle. You will never get to taste it if you do not persist with some level of faith, and you don't got to believe in Jesus to have faith, my friend. You got to keep persisting. If I quit here, if I stopped here, if I simply refused to persist from this pivotal moment in my life, I don't know how it would have ended up, and I would not be here today. And that's why some of you are getting frustrated, because you're in this situation and you haven't gotten to the door yet. And you're like, why not? It's because you got to keep persisting. You're like, I have been persisting. Good, keep it up. The less you see, sometimes even the better. Just keep going. That's it. You got to keep believing in yourself. Give yourself that opportunity to grow. Pretty much, you guys are evaluating your life, your performance, your faith in everything off of a small sample size. You haven't really pursued much on it. You either doubt what you have as not being enough, or you doubt not pursuing unless you have everything there. The world isn't going to reward that. You guys want everything to be factual, upfront, and ready to go for you before you pursue something. If that was the case, everybody would be rich. Life wouldn't be difficult. And then the people who have success, you wouldn't value it as a success. Because why? They didn't take any risk. They didn't have to do anything. They didn't have to work or anything. Everything in life you're going to get, you're either going to get it through faith or through what you have. Trust yourself. Trust what you have. You are not lacking in anything. Take account of what you have, both in faith items and what you can to move forward. That's all you got to do.